Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
If you are not connected to an Exchange server, then you probably use a PST folder for your inbox and other Outlook folders. For many lawyers, the sheer volume of mail that they handle can cause the size of the PST file to grow very quickly. In this lesson, we will review some tips that you can use to ensure that your PST folder size will remain manageable and that Outlook will therefore respond more quickly when you are using it. The first tip that you should be aware of if using a PST file is using the auto-archiving feature within Outlook. You can create an archive copy of your inbox and its related folders that you keep in a separate PST file. That way you can move old mail to the archive copy for storage purposes without having to risk deleting the information or retaining it within your primary PST folder where it will needlessly slow down your inbox processing. You can archive mail within folders either manually or automatically, and you can set the retention policy for the email. It is also important to note that you can create and use multiple archive folders for archiving mail, for example by year if needed. If you need to review the process for auto-archiving email, please review Lesson 12.2 Setting Auto-Archiving for Folders in Chapter 12 of the Advanced Outlook Manual included with this product. You can also manually archive folders by clicking the File tab within the ribbon and clicking the Info command at the left side of the Backstage view. Click the Cleanup Tools drop-down button and select the Archive command. Choose which folders to archive in the Archive dialog box that appears, as well as set the date used to archive the email. You can choose to which PST folder the mail will be archived by clicking the Browse button at the bottom of the dialog box to launch the Open Outlook Data Files dialog box. Choose the data file to save your archive in, and click the OK button to return to the Archive dialog box. The default archive file folder pathway will be shown in the adjacent archive file text box. You can then click the OK button to start archiving mail. If you want to open the archive file within Outlook, once again, click the File tab within the ribbon and then click the Open and Export command at the left side of the Backstage view. Click the Open Outlook Data File command to the right and browse to the archive folder to select it and click the OK button to open it. You can then access any mail that you have archived. Another tip for managing your PST file size is to remember to empty your Deleted Items folder. Remember that the items that you delete from your inbox and other folders are actually moved into the Deleted Items folder where they will be saved by default until you choose to empty the folder. Items saved into the Deleted Items folder will still increase the size of your PST file. You can easily empty your Deleted Items folder by right-clicking on the Deleted Items folder within the folder pane and then selecting the Empty Folder command from the pop-up menu. Another tip for reducing file size is to delete unnecessary items from your Sent Items folder. If you are someone who finds that they are often replying to and forwarding email that you have received, it is important to note that a copy of every email to which you replied or forwarded is kept within your Sent Items folder. If you do not need to keep these items, you can open the Sent Items folder and then delete any sent items that you no longer need to keep. This can also greatly reduce the size of your PST file, as many users forget that they keep copies of all of these emails. Once again, after these emails are deleted from the Sent Items folder, they are sent to the Deleted Items folder, so be sure to empty your Deleted Items folder when you're finished to remove them permanently from your PST file. As long as you follow these tips, you should have a PST file that is of a manageable size and is quick and responsive when using the Outlook application.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.